Good day everyone. My name is Cairo Taganait and this is the presentation of Group 3. Today we were discussing about technical security management. So, technical security management is the process of protecting an organization information system through the use of technology and proper management practices. It involving planning, implementing and maintaining security measures to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and other cyber threats. This includes the use of tools such as firewalls, encryption, antivirus software, and access control system to safeguard sensitive information. The main goal of technical security management is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and resources. By effectively managing technical security, organization can reduce risk, maintain trust, and ensure smooth and secure operation. Next slide. Security survey and inspection. Security survey and inspection are two important processes used to assess and improve the safety and protection of people, property, and information within an organization or facility. A security survey is a comprehensive examination and evaluation of existing security measures, policies, and procedures. It identifies the strengths and weaknesses of a security system by analyzing physical security, personal security, information security, and emergency preparedness. The purpose of a security is to determine how effective current security measures are and to recommend improvements or upgrades to reduce risks and vulnerabilities. It is usually done in detail involving data collection, observation, and risk assessment. On the other hand, a security inspection is more specific and routine activity focused on checking whether security measures are being properly implemented and followed. Or it ensures that all security equipment like CCTV cameras, locks, alarm, and access control system are functioning correctly, and that personnel comply with security rules and procedures. So in simple terms, a security survey looks at the overall security system and plans for improvement. So while a security inspection check a day-to-day compliance and operational readiness. So together, they help maintain a safe environment and prevent potential security breaches. So here's some example of security survey. A large shopping mall hires a security consultant to conduct a security survey. So the consultant evaluates the entire mall security setup, including CCTV cameras, placement, lighting around parking areas, emergency exit, and guard deployment. They also review the mall security policies, visitor entry procedures, and coordination with local police. So, after the assessment, the consultant identifies points such as poorly lit corners and outdated fire alarms. So, then the recommend improvement like installing additional cameras, upgrading alarm system, and training guards in emergency response. This is called security survey because it is a broad plan evaluation to improve the overall security system. So, example of security inspection. A security supervision at a bank conduct a security inspection every week. So, they check if all CCTV cameras are recordingly properly, if alarm systems are working, and if guards are their assigned posts. Supervision ensures that all employees are wearing their ID cards and that doors are bolts are properly locked after office hour. They also test the emergency communication system to make sure it functions during power outage. This is called security inspection because it focuses on routine checking and ensuring daily compliance with established security rules. So in summary, security survey is evaluating and improving plan. So while security inspection, regular checking and monitoring of compliance and equipment. So next slide. The security survey. Security survey is a comprehensive evaluation of the security measures in a place such as building, organization, or facility. It involves examining the strengths and weaknesses of existing security system procedures and personnel to determine how will they protect people properly, property, and information. During a security survey, security professionals analyze potential threats and vulnerabilities, check the effectiveness of physical barriers like fences, locks, and alarm, and assess how well staff follow security policies. The main goal is to identify risks and recommend improvement to make the area safer and more secure. For example, in a shopping mall, a security survey might include checking the placement of CCTV cameras, lighting in parking lots, the treating of guards, and how emergency exits are secured. So in short, a security survey is a detailed inspection and analysis to ensure that all security systems and procedures are working effectively to prevent crime or loss. So here are some clear example of security survey in different settings. So office building security. Office building survey. A security consultant examined an office building to check the effectiveness of its lock. So CCTV cameras, alarm system, and visitor control procedure. The survey identifies blind spot in cameras coverage and recommends adding motion sensors in hallways. 2. School security survey. The school administration conduct a survey to evaluate student safety. They inspect gate, fencing, lighting, and the presence of guards. The survey finds that some gates are left unlocked during class hours, so new locking procedure are suggested. Another example, 3. Shopping mall survey. Security officer review how well the mall is protected against thief in emergencies. They check the placement of guards, lighting in parking areas, and emergency exits. So the survey results in improved patrol routes and additional CCTV cameras. So in short, a security survey is a systematic inspection to evaluate and improve the safety and protection of property, people, and assets in any type of facility. Next slide. The identification of anomalies. Identification of anomalies means recognizing or detecting unusual or abnormal event, behavior, or condition that differ from what is normally expected. So in simple terms, it is the process of spotting something that doesn't look right or doesn't belong. So in security, the identification of anomalies is very important because it helps detect possible threat, risks, or security breaches early. For example, if a person is seen entering a restricted area without permission, or our system shows unexpected data pattern, these are considered anomalies that need investigation. So it involves observing patterns, comparing them with normal activities, and noticing anything that stand out. This, this process can be done by security personnel or through technologies such as surveillance cameras and automated monitoring systems. So in summary, the identification, the importance of security survey. Studies lies in the ability to create a safe and protected environment for individuals, organizations, and communities. Study security help people understand how to identify potential threats and prevent them before they cause harm. It teach It teaches the principle of safety, awareness, and preparedness, which are essential in protecting lives and property. Through security study, individuals gain knowledge to handle emergencies, respond to incidents, and apply effective security measures. It also helps in maintaining peace and order in society by reducing the risk of crimes, accidents, and conflicts. Moreover, security study is important because it strengthens the protection of valuable assets, including information, equipment, and resources that support daily operations. Dito ka! Ay! Dito ka ba? Nawala na ito. Moreover, security study is important because it strengthens the protection of valuable assets, including information, equipment, and resources that support daily operations. In workplace, it ensures that employees and customers feel safe, which lead to productivity and trust. It also enhances the capability of security personnel and law enforcement officers to carry out their duties efficiently and responsibly. In today's modern world, where, where threat can be both physical and digital, understanding security is more necessary than ever. So, here are some key points explaining its importance. 1. Prevention of crime and danger. Security study teach how to identify risks and apply measures to stop crime and accident before they happen. So, 2. Protection of lives and assets. It ensures that people's building and valuable resources are kept safe from theft, vandalism, or harm. 3. Awareness and preparedness. It builds awareness of possible threat and prepared individual or organization to respond properly in emergencies. So, overall, the study of security is not just about guarding properly. It is about building awareness, preparedness, and resilience. It empowers people to act responsibly, make smart decisions in critical situations, and contribute to a peaceful and secure community. So, next reporter, please.
Good day, everyone. My name is Anakin Peterkel, the Simon E3. The value of security professional. Organization face with the losses due security related to concern that security survey could have to eliminated to prevent or control to security professional are equipment to ex, expertise or to handling as a matter of charity. Tenure to emphasize the value of security professional and preventing trust loss to renewal. Crime prevention to very instance to security professional existent to another book in the world of total loss control is the orderly and predictive response to criminal indication to admitted to response to criminal opportunities to manage to process which the booster to elimination to pieces to response to criminal losses, promote the timely identification to exposures to criminal before these exposures to measure the confirmation to process. The value of security professionalized to either to essential role protecting people, property, information, and organization integrity. Their work to ensure the safety, trust, and stability in any environment, whether physical, digital. Swipe buds next. Bud swipe. Security inspection. A security Security inspection. A security inspection is a tool of attainment that possibly raised to facility in order to control, prevent possible loss or damage. The company assists to the truth assist to what happening from security point view. Ensures that threats to are recognized and cost of effective countermeasures are in place. Security inspection to deal to with protection any person, facility, materials, information, activity, and other assets that have a positive value to the organization. These assets may also have value and adversary, possibly in a different measure to magnitude to how owners value them. Mm, Security inspection is a security is an organized evaluation conducted by security personnel and assist to compliance with security policies and detect vulnerabilities and ensure the protection of people, property, information. For example, sa, is- sa isang kumpanya o bangko o land bank na merong tayong makikitang security guard na sa isang security guard siya ang gumagawa ng mga monitoring like mga main entrance, logbook, CCTV, emergency exit at iba pa sila sa gumagawa ng observe para sa mga safety sa mga tao lalo sa mga isang office na land bank. Safety inspection is generally defined as the state of being certain that adverse effect will not be caused by some magnitude under defined condition is mean to freedom from dangers to injury. It is involved to measures, people, procedures, or equipment used to prevent to detect an abnormal condition that can't endanger, endanger to people, property, or enterprise. These abnormal conditions include to accident cause of human carelessness or inattentiveness, lack of training, or other unintentional event. Safety inspection is a systematic process of examining or workplace facility, equipment, or environment to ensure that it is safety for employees. Visitor operation is a mean of goal to identify potential hazard, prevent accident, or ensure to compliance with health and safety regulation. For example, ano isa sa panahon karon nga galinog at isa dito sa isang establishment at mahigit apat na floor nga taas na kailangan natin i-check kung okay ba ang building para kung wala ba damage or wala crack sa building lalo sa mga pitas nga atuang buhaton para sa mga tao. Swipe badge sa purpose of safety inspection kana. Purpose of safety inspection. Detection of defect results to materials, equipment, lighting, or and ventilation detection of substandard conditions such as poor housekeeping, door ventilation, poor lighting, noise, and poor maintenance, and poor training or workers. Swipe bad swipe. Cases of safety inspection. Detection of what might be called obvious hazard, actually unsafe condition, created either by action of people or physical resolution, for example, black exit and tripping hazard. So number one, isa po na with slipper floor na maka-cause ng maka-cause og slide. Other one sa example lang sa number uh, one exposed to electrical wire or damage or cords na maka-cause og sunog or dili naay possible na makurentihan. Sa number two, detection of condition which of themselves may not be the direct cause of an accident but will be contributory factors. So for example, salty water spilled in the floor. Example na niya sa number two. Ito yung pagtuklas ng mga condition sa workplace na hindi direktang sanhi ng aksidente pero nakakatulong o nag-contribute para mangyari ito. Sa number three, detection of condition to wherein to employees performance and deviating from the standard practice and establishes policy in which themselves are wrong and unsafe. For example, national personal protective equipment. Example lang na niya, ito naman ay nagtukoy ng mga sitwasyon kung saan ang mga empleyado ay lumalabag sa standard na procedure o policy. Ibig sabihin, mali na mismo yung ginagawa nila at delikado pa. Mga halimbawa na kanang wala sila nagsuot og PPE, personal protective equipment, bawal gid na. So number four, detection of employee performance which themselves are not hazard hazardous but can't be create hazard either directly or a contributor contributory manner. For example, storing old documents in a corner. So sa number four, dito naman ay tinutukoy yung mga gawi o performance na empleyado na hindi naman delikado agad pero pwedeng maging sanhi ng mga panganib sa kalaunan. Mga halimbawa na pagtatambak ng mga lumang dokumento sa isang sulok, parang okay lang sila na pwedeng maging fire hazard or harang sa daan. So that's all. Thank you.